This one has frustrated some people. You know, we've been talking so much about PC hardware. Well, gaming hardware in general, not just PC, even console hardware, and how it's nearly impossible to get your hands on it. Well, Newegg had an interesting strategy here that they thought would get people, let people have some fun, I guess. But then people were just frustrated, like, wait a second, what are you doing to me? This was a lottery to get a chance to pay full price for limited graphics cards and other components.
Right.
And people are just really fed up at this point that have been hunting, say, RTX 3080s, for example, that they're like, now the lottery is for a chance to buy it?
Yeah. And I can just imagine, like, they have all the parts, like one person, and then all they need is a GPU.
Yes.
And they can't get it.
That person exists.
Yeah.
Absolutely. There's many of them. Well, this was called the Newegg Shuffle event, and it invited customers to choose among several bundles. So here's how they did it. If you look at the screenshots below, it would be a thing where you would be selected in the raffle, essentially, and they would be like, okay, here are your bundle options. So you can't even buy, scroll down a little bit more, and you'll see an RTX. No, right on that, right there at the very bottom of that graphic. So, like, you could get the RTX, what is it, a 3080 over there, the Strix? That is a 3080. But only as a combo if you also get the motherboard.
Right.
You see how it was like, I don't know. I can understand people's frustration here. That's like, I just won this stupid lottery and also I can't even just get the GPU. I got to get the bundle together. But here's a quote from Reddit. Exactly what the GPU struggle needed. RNG loot boxes. The problem is you aren't understanding the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with winning the chance to pay a huge markup for a combo item you don't want. So anyway, gamers are frustrated right now. And you know that if you're Newegg, you can lean into the hype. You could say, man, people want me so bad. They'll probably just take a full price motherboard to go with it because they want it so bad. Because you know, companies like Newegg with a reputation, they don't necessarily want to mark up the price of the GPU too much. Actually, this is a moment for me to give a shout out to Canada Computers, which is the local computer spot. They have locations all over Ontario. They, in Canadian funds, aren't really marking up these GPUs. Now, they sell out right away, but I'm putting them on blast right now because I don't even know if they want this heat with people going looking. You can't buy it online. You have to go to the physical store. And because of COVID, you can't go in right now. So you basically got to go to the front door of the store and say, hey, you got any RTX 30 series cards? But if they do, and you can see there's a couple available in stores over there, if you do the conversion, so take that card on the right. Oh, wow, that was in stock this morning, that Zotac card. That's a 3090. It was in stock this morning, but if you take that price, which is $2,059, and convert it to USD, well, because I know the suggested retail price is around $1,500 USD for a 3090, and you're looking at 1616, so it's not really marked up, and that's at retail. So that's kind of cool. So I'm just saying, like, you can find some stuff. I know more people are interested in the 3080 than the 3090. Maybe do a quick check on the 3080 because the 3090 is a crazy price tag, obviously. 3080s, any in-store? No, see, those are all out of stock. In-store, out of stock. Anyway, look, this stuff it's tough to get your hands on. I feel for everybody. I feel for you.